What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we're gonna teach you the song called Come Around Me by Justin Bieber. Alright, let's start. Alright everybody, let's start. Let me fix this one first. So we're gonna do a quick one, So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it goes like this. 5, 6, 7. If you don't get it, just review the video. So 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 counts. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is it? My count is wrong. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. This is 7 and 8. That's the count. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Double 6, 7, 8. Continue from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. From 5, 6, 7, 8. It's simple as that. One more time. From the top, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next. So 7, 8. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap on 7, 8. That's the count. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. From here, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, from 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just look on 8. Again. So we end up on here. Go 1 and don't count N. 1, 2, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the perfect counting. So 7 and 8. Let's continue. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one you will slow down. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna jump on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. After here, you're gonna slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look up on 7, 8. Copy? Then slow down again. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So this is super slow. Slow. Quick. Ta 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 and 8. So we pick up from here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Almost, guys. From here, 7. Move back. Go 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So single, single, quick, quick, up. Okay? 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up. That's the basic one. From here, 7, 8, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, quick, quick, up. And for the last 2, 8, right? Last 2, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you gotta need to lean back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Slow down on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's try from here. So set, bend, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't rush it. And for the last 8, double. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will stop here. 3, 4. 1, 2, stop. 4, 5. 5, 6. This is 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk front. 5, 6. And finish. Yes. Wait. Let's try again. Here we go. From move back. 7 and then da 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 da. So from here. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to take time there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, walk. 5, 7, 8. Yes. Let's start from the beginning. Slowly. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump slowly. Hip. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Here we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, ha, ha, ha. Yes! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Bye bye.